Here's how to find and use a Booking.com discount code. First, launch open any web browser and head over to Booking.com. Make sure to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create a free one. Once you have created an account, you will automatically get into the Genius Loyalty Program. This is the easiest way to get a built-in discount on Booking.com. To check your discount, you want to tap on the profile icon. Here, tap on Genius Loyalty Program. Now here it's going to show you all the kinds of discounts that you can get. On level 1, you get 10% discounts on stays. On level 2, you get 10 to 15% discounts on stays. And on level 3, you get 10 to 20% discounts on stay. Some companies like credit card issuers like MasterCard, Amex, banks and airline frequently provides you some unique promo codes via email campaign. Another way to get deals is using Booking.com app. If you check out using the official mobile app, you might get a 10% off. Now, if you have got a promo code or you want to use the Genius Loyalty Program, then follow these steps. First, you want to look for your destination. Then enter your check-in or check-out time, select the number of guests. Now from these options, select the property that you want to book. Here, tap on Reserve for tonight. Now you want to enter all of your details here. On the payment section, scroll down and get to the coupon code section. Tap on that and enter your coupon code over here. For your Genius Loyalty Program, you do not have to enter a coupon code, but it will be automatically added over here. Once you have entered your payment details, tap on Complete My Booking. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.